It's recording. Sure to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. The name will be on the screen somewhere in this video.
Peace out, bros. Peace out, bros.
So what is your opinion on the snow, Peyton?
I like it.
Yeah? Not very many people like the snow.
I do. I love it.
Why?
Because I used to live up in the mountains, and I would have like 7 feet.
Oh, fun. Where was this?
When I was born till...
No, when? Where?
Oh, in Spokane.
Which part? Was it the valley?
Well, it was by the valley, but
Ah.
can't be in the valley because I was up in the mountains.
Yeah.
But I remember going down the slick roads. That
Yeah.
was scary.
What's your Instagram?
I think Peyton _22_34.
I'll put it in there for you. If there's no snow tomorrow, or no snow, no school tomorrow.
That's funny. That's really funny.
Yeah. Oh man, I fucking. If there's no school tomorrow, we should go sledding.
I guess.
You guess?
It literally looks like salt if you look at it. That's
Yeah.
so sparkly.
Anything else to add to the vlog?
Wait.
How is it?
Good.
Yeah. What's the flavor?
Sprite.
Sprite? Did you just pour Sprite into gutters?
That's actually pretty smart.
Yeah. What's that?
Frosting.
Is it cake batter or what is it? Skittles?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Actually, it does look red on my camera. Look.
Could lie to you.
Yeah. That was a nice fart.
Oh, that hurts.
Why are you riding on my car? It's gonna scratch the windows.
No, it's not.
Yeah, well.
The ice is already on it. I'm touching ice. So it scratches it. It's kind of the ice's fault.
It's kind of your fault.
Not really.
Yeah, did you see the post I did about you?
Huh?
The post I did about you? What did you think?
I'm a wild animal.
What?
I'm a wild animal.
Yeah. Let's go find rocks.
No.
Yeah.
Come on,
Trying to find a hard spot. Yeah, I know what I said was hypocritical, but you have to shovel and I have to play with her. What are you doing? Looking for rocks? What are you looking for?
Eating snow.
Why?
Cause
Why? Cause why? Cause you feel like it?
sure.
Is that the only words you know? Oh, so you only know 3 words? What are the 3 words again? Is that the only words you know? Do you not want to talk to me? Cause I'm a jerk? Cause you're a jerk? Cause everyone's a jerk? So, I'm going to the mall for a little bit. Nothing else to do and bored. So, the mall's the next best thing. So, yeah. Yeah, if you guys are ever in the Tri-Cities, or you live in the Tri-Cities, and you see me, don't be afraid to come, say hi to me. I'd love to meet you guys, so I'll check in a minute. So, just to show you how dark it is outside, mean, you guys saw the previous clip or all that, but just to show you how dark it really is from my room, that should give it away. But doesn't it kind of look pretty out there with all that snow? Not trying to be weird or all, but it does look nice. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a minute. That is bright. That almost hurts to look at, you guys. Good lord. Whoa. So, as I was going to say, there may or may not be wildfire tonight, so depending on what there is tonight, I may not film at all. I'm going to bring my camera with me, because I'm going to head to the mall. But, yeah. So, I'll see you guys in a second. How much are you enjoying the, snow painting?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm. This feels like rain.
Well, it's ice. Oh my sweet.
Drew was like, so funny.
Can't see you. It's too dark. But still can't see you when you look.
Way lighter up in this.
Yeah. GoPro, brighten up. Nope, that doesn't work. Recording.
Is?
Yeah.
So, hey guys, I'm gonna be vlogging right now. So, how's your guys' day? Oh wait, you can't answer. Shoot.
I know, that's why you gotta improvise.
Improvise. Okay. Oh, look at this. It's 102. No, pretty good temperature. See, can you? Oh, you can't even see that. Can you even see me? Oh, you can see that up there. Could you see that? No.
I can't see you on this brain painting, no matter how close you get.
Great.
Oh, your bun has a lot of snow on it.
Oh, you can't even see it. Hey guys, well, you know, this hot tub's pretty hot.
Oh, really? Well, it's called a hot tub.
Okay, it's my first time. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm not tired of the snow, but I know a lot of you guys are pretty tired of the snow. What the heck? I don't even think it's filming anymore.
No, it is.
It's turned off.
It's still recording.
Oh,
As long as the red dot is blinking.
Alright, well, yeah. I'm not tired of the snow, but I know a lot of you guys are. But it's very delicious.
Please, I haven't done that in a video yet. I need to. You know that one doesn't pick up audio very well, right?
Whatever.
I wonder how this would feel underneath your armpit. Just out of curiosity.
That's weird. Well, bye guys. Thanks for Boom chicken soup.
Going.
Trying to sit down and do it. It's a little hard. Yeah.
Trey?
Yeah, I see him.
How's that nasty?
Comment down below if you think putting hot water in the snow and then eating it, wouldn't that be nasty? People are weird.
It's happened before.
Nasty.